So you have a number here, and in this number one digit has been left blank, and what you have to do is you have to put that digit in this blank space in a way that first you have to put smallest digit possible in a way that this number becomes divisible by 3, and then you have to put a greatest digit possible in a way that this number becomes divisible by 3. That in both the cases, like if you are putting a smallest digit and then if you are putting a greatest digit, then that particular digit should make this number divisible by 3. Now if you remember that for any number to be divisible by 3, it should satisfy a condition, and the condition was that the sum of all the digits present in that number should be divisible by 3. So going by that logic, first let's check for the smallest digit possible. So for the smallest digit possible, you have this blank space first that you have to find a digit, and then you have 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. Remember that for any number to be divisible by 3, then the sum of all the digits present in that number should be divisible by 3. So you have blank space plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. This is blank space plus 6 plus 7 is 13, then plus 2 15 plus 4 19. Okay. So for the smallest one, what if I put 0 here? 0 plus 19 is 19. Is 19 divisible by 3? No. What if I put 1 here? So 19 plus 1 will be 20. Is 20 divisible by 3? No. What if I put 2 here? So 19 plus 2 will be 21. And yes, 21 is divisible by 3 because 3 times 7 is 21. Therefore, we can say that if we put 2 here, or say if we put 2 here, then this will be the smallest digit, 2 will be the smallest digit that will make this whole number divisible by 3, right? So the smallest digit will be 2. Now let's check for the largest digit possible in this case. Again, you have blank space, then you have 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. This will be blank space plus 19, right? Now, for this largest digit, what if I put 9 here, right? What if I put 9 here? So 19 plus 9 is 28. 19 plus 9 is 28. Because this is the largest digit we can try first, because 0 to 9, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the digits that we can try. So for the smallest one, we started from 0, but for the largest one, we'll start from 9. And for the 9, if we put 9 here, then 19 plus 9 is 28. 28 is not divisible by 3. What if for 8? So 19 plus 8 is 27. And yes, 27 is divisible by 3. Why? Because 3 times 9 will be 27. And therefore, if we put 8 here, right, it will make it 27. And this is from this one, 3 times 9 is 27. This number is divisible by 3. Therefore, if we put 8 here, this 86,724 will be divisible by 3. So for the smallest one, the digit will be 2, and for the largest one, digit will be 8. Let's take one more example by the same logic. Here, let's first check for the smallest one. We'll do it very quickly here for the smallest one. So for the smallest one, it will be 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5, and then blank space and plus 2. This will give you 7. 4 plus 7 is 11, plus 6 is 17, plus 5 is 22, plus 2 is 24. 24 plus blank space. For the smallest one, start from 0. If I put 0 here, If I put 0 here, then 24 plus 0 is 24. And yes, 24 is divisible by 3 because 3 times 8 will be 24. And therefore, if we put 0 here, that is, if we put 0 here, then this number will be this will be the smallest digit that will make this number divisible by 3. So the smallest digit will be 0. Now let's check for the largest digit. So again, this will be 24 plus blank space. Now we have to put the largest digit. Start from 9. If I put 9 here, then 24 plus 9 is 33. And yes, 33 is divisible by 3. Because 3 times 11 will be 33. And therefore, if I put here 9, this will be 33. 3 times 11 is 33. Therefore, 33 is divisible by 3. And therefore, if I put 9 here, then this number will be divisible by 3. So the largest digit will be 9. The smallest one was 0. And the largest digit will be 9.